Hello guys, hope you all are good. Welcome to another grand interesting video on our Be Aware channel. So basically in this today's video we are going to learn about the next chapter of our default process flows. So we're going to learn about material consumption and replenishment process flow, which is going to help us understand different aspects of consumption so we can apply how strategies of different replenishments can be applied by using this process flow just in matter of clicks. So we have already created 3 videos on our default process flow. So basically we started with source, then we completed queue, we have completed the basic processor. So these default process flow we have already completed. Recently we have also uploaded the video of processor with operator default process flow, and now we have material consumption and replenishment default process flow. So we have started the series, we have started from source and we will be uploading videos till this end of this default process flow. So stay tuned with us to understand the process flow in detail, and we will be learning not only about the process flow elements, but we also would be learning about what are the advantages of using these types of process flow, how it can help you save your time required for modeling and different prospects. So it's going to be a wonderful journey. Stay till end of this video so that you would be taking maximum out of the default process flow of understanding material consumption or replenishment. If you want to create this type of logic, I'll just reset this model for the time being now. If you want to create such type of modeling logic, it's going to be very tricky. You go by the conventional method or you either go with the process flow. It becomes very tedious in order to create such type of replenishment and consumption logic. But thanks to Flexsim, where they have this default process flows included in this, where you can just pick that process flow. You will have all the instructions in detail provided out of here. Setup information's been given here, how you're going to set up, and they have given you a detailed information of each and every element available in this. But what we are going to talk about in this video is that which is not available in here, so which I have explored by my experience that I would be taking you up through. So I will also tell you in the video what is which is available already and what was that which was not available. And before we start this video, I would like to tell you that please guys, do comment our videos, do like our videos, do share with your friends, because we want to reach maximum amount of audiences, and your support of just a single like, comment and share can really help us grow in this competitive edge. So do not forget to like our videos, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment below the videos. If you have any suggestions or you need some topics to be clarified and you want me to bring those videos onto our YouTube channel, you can drop me in the comment section, or you can also email us on our web email ID, which is mentioned in the description below. We also have a website, beawarechannel.com, where we upload daily blogs, and these blogs are going to be very informative. We are going to range it from personality development, finance to technology, simulation, engineering, and a lot of health related blogs will also be available there. So do not forget to check out our website beawarechannel.com daily, because we are going to bring a lot of exciting educational awareness related content on our website, which is designed just for you all. We also have training premium classes which you can purchase a subscription and get maximum out of it. And we have been bringing and we have been driving this from more than 2 years on YouTube, and we are very happy for the love you have provided us, the growth you have given us, and we hope that you're going to give us continuously ahead also. So let us start a video now. So if you see, I'll just reset the model. Okay, So I'll take you through the object elements which we have. So we have a source and a queue which is connected to this processor, okay, and from this processor we are going to have an output queue named as q2. And also what we have done is we have created a replenishment queue which is named as reorder, from where we are going to replenish our order which has been consumed by the processor. So this is the high level overview of these all stuffs. So what we are doing in this source, if you see, I am going to create only 1000 parts, which is going to be my initial inventory which is going to be consumed by this processor. And then what I need to have is a reorder area or replenishment area, which is going to we are going to transfer the part from this queue to this queue, so it gets consumed in the processor. So what I'll do is I will take a fresh process flow out of this, that is of a material and consumption. I will show you how it looks when there are no objects being attached. Okay, now what I want to show you in this process flow is that the current supply, you see there are no objects attached, even quantity reordered, there are no objects attached. So when you attach the processor to this process flow, okay, that is where you are supposed to get the things done accordingly. So basically, if you see here in this process flow, I visit our website beawarechannel.com, and once you are going to visit our website beawarechannel.com, in a tab of simulation you can visit our tab in simulation, and once you come in simulation tab you will be able to see subscription for premium content access here. So you just need to select your required premium subscription plan. We have it monthly, we have it quarterly, and we have it yearly. So as per your requirement you can purchase a subscription plan, and once you have purchased a subscription plan you can come to the training classes page which we have available on our beawarechannel.com, and once we receive a payment from you we would be sending you a approval email, and once you are going to receive a approval email, it is just a matter of click. You just need to visit a training classes page, and once you are going to visit this training classes page you have to just come in below here, have you purchased a subscription, and you just need to hit a button here, paid and approved. Click to start training. If you want to purchase, you can purchase it from here. We also have a plans listed, similar plans which are on the simulation page. We also have it on the training classes page. You can also purchase the thing by visiting the subscription plans, and once you are done with approval you just need to click here and you would be visiting our premium training page, and there you would just need to put your login credentials. If you have already logged in into your account by signing up or creating an account, there is no need for you to sign up again. But if you are signed out or you do not have an account, you can just click in here, or you can also create an account here. Once you click in here you will be visiting our login page and you are done with this stuff.